Ya, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, dan kasih rantai bermubarakkan fi kami hibur guna werdo asyhadu alla ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya wa la rasul pada aman. Okay, today guys I will do some like argument with my friend about should school use lock 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 gadget thing, locking for gadget like phone after school and can unlock after school, ya, before lock before school and unlock after school. Okay, this is my first Monday target with Azul, ya. Okay, for the first one I will ask Mas Aisyah for why we should lock our phone in class.
For this question, we must lock the phone because it will be played when the teacher the some material we play phone and in the table like we hide the phone, the book or the something. And for the there is some tools in the US or in America. There is for the lock the phone. So after we go to school, we should put in there. And if we want to open that, we can open after the school, or we can say go home when go home. So like this, the tools like this. So if we use this, we cannot do anything, and we can bring and cannot do use because it will be locked like that, and the student will be focused to the material and the teacher, and we can do some project or studying in the library or in the class. So we can use this for the phone and to the school.
Okay, that is for Mas Aisyah opinion, ya. For if from me, actually it's not very quite useful because actually student phone is a lot of his privacy. Like his privacy, like mother number or father name and others. And if it got locked, sometimes his family or her family will call him, and after that want to say something like there is an earthquake, tsunami, or her friend or her family is dying, like her grandpa, grandma, and maybe sister or brother. Okay, and I not sure that lock for phone is not very quite optimal because there is still a chance, as you can hear, as you can see here, there is a chance to open and take the phone without the key. Wait. Okay. As you as you can see, the phone can be opened just by tapping at the table, just like this. It's not very quietly so effective, but it's not so useful too because this is a brand new technology that I think is so expensive for just one phone for one student, and after that the lock will broken after maybe 3 or 2 years, and after that the school will buy a new one, and after that the automatically the broken stuff will go to the trash, and after that not so good for our earth because it's so many trash. If school has like 10,000 and 1,000 people, and there is let's say 10 school, if 1 year the technology break or something else or when missing or what, there is like maybe 10 to 100,000 waste of material. If the school can cycle it properly, maybe it can, but I think it's not very lot, like maybe 10 up to 30 or 50, but not all because school is for school, not for trash. Okay, this is for my opinion. Then why we should why we should use this in our school for that?
Because my opinion, because it will be focused. If we not use this, it will be the student will play game, scroll and others. It will be not focused and not be they are play for the school. So if the tools broken or the technology that broken, the school can buy again, and the school will be maybe can take the phone first and put in the locker or something.
Right.
So the tools that cannot bring the student, so we just the teacher can bring that. And for the in here, if you bring that and there is still maybe some student bring the other sport like the steel, it will bring up until school end, so he can take the phone and bring the phone go.
This is for your opinion, right? But I think it's not very quickly useful because as you speak right now or before that, you say that the technology can change to a better one. Is about collecting and put on the locker, or there is a PIC for a teacher that protect the phone. Like if the phone call, they will call the student and answer the call. After it's done, put back again, and after that, repeat. Like if there is a problem, just take the phone in the PIC room or any else. That is much better than buying a lot of technology, but it can still broke because technology is not so perfect, because the perfect one is from our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Technology is from a human being, a being that created by powerful God. That our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Okay, yeah, that is that is the negative thing about technology. It's not so very useful, but maybe a different situation will make technology is different. But remember, the perfect thing is from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. There is no such a thing. There is no unperfect thing that Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala created. Because our God is know what we will come, maybe next year, 100 years, and 1,000 years later. Okay, that is for the minus of technology. If the positive thing of technology, yes, as you can see here, in the real news, in the real school, yeah, can be useful and can be not useful. But because this the positive thing. Let's say it's useful because maybe the school will support more people, more workers or more more workers and other for make the technology. After that, the school will pay and the money ecosystem in this country, let's say America, because this video is from America, is more great than other country. That is for my opinion the plus one of technology. What about you?
My hypothesis about this technology can be useful because the maybe some student can bring that for the playground. So they are not focused and the teacher will be angry. And if we use this, it will be focused and the teacher will be explain the material will be great. Okay, that's my opinion.
For my conclusion, the positive thing, that's before I say can make ecosystem of money in the country, but America is more great than another other country. And the negative thing, there is a lot of waste or trash. Okay, that's all for me and Azul. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.